Hello, it's Ali. Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to make this video for quite some time because I was looking for something like this for my camera gear. I'm sure you would need something like this too. So when I travel, I want to put all my camera gear from the lenses, hard drive, all the wires in one case, and I want to have it in low profile so it doesn't take that much space because I have my laptop with me also. So I came up with an idea to 3D print a box that's specifically for my needs. The way I did it with the foam, all these inserts inside it, so I can put all the camera gear here and it will be protected. And the good thing with this, we can do this all with 3D printing. So after measuring and printing the box what I need, I put all the camera gears inside it and organized everything. I made sure all has spaces in case of dropping, so it has a bit of cushioning with the foam. And then I made templates. So with the templates, it's very easy. I will explain you how I did it. These are the templates you will cut the foam. Here I'm using a 1 centimeter foam. These are the foams I'm using. You can make these templates with this. And I used hobby knife and I cut all these templates with this. It took me way longer time than I expected. But if you have a laser cutter and you are using this, it will save you so much time. But I did a good job with cutting, even though it took me so much time. So for making the template, after I put all the camera gears inside the box, I took a picture with my phone and then take it to the SketchUp and trace all these lines, and I gave it 0.4 millimeter so I can print it fast and it will be flexible also like this. So this is the bottom template, this is the second one, and here's the first one. So the difference between them, the first one will have that finger placement. You can take things out and it will be easier, because if you don't make these, let's say the hard drive you are putting in, it's gonna be stuck. It will not gonna be easy to take it out. So you have to have these slots so you can grab it and take it out. The second one, if we look at the DJI mic, we can see it's exactly the same shape and sizes. And the third one, we don't have anything like this, and the mic not gonna go all the way down because profile is very small. So yeah, this is the idea for making the template, and I will show you everything you need in this video how I made it. And for the hardwares, I'm using M3 bolt. These M3 bolt came with the printer when I unboxed the Bambu Labs printer. Usually it comes with Bambu Labs printer when you assemble it, and you have that cover to hold that build plate and during the shipping, so it will be secured. So this bolt from this, the good thing about these bolts, it has a thread and the thread is very small, and the other one is smooth. So that's what we want, because for the hinge and for the latches, you don't want thread over here. Works really good with these. I printed the box on H2D in 2 colors. I gave it a fuzzy skin and it came out so good. And for the cover, I used 3 colors with my logo on it, but I will make sure to put the file of the cover without logo, so you can put your logo on it as well. I will put the file on MakerVault 3MF file, so it's easier for you guys to just hit print and it will print it for you. And if you have your logo with SVG, it's very easy on Bambu Labs Slicer, so you can put it like this and you will have your own box with your logo. And for the latches, I printed in 2 colors and it came out so good. So after cutting all the templates from the phone, we're gonna glue them together, and make sure when you glue it, you will put it inside the box when you glue it, because if you don't put it in the box and if you put it by hand, it's not gonna be aligned. But if you put it inside the box, it will be automatically aligned with each other and you don't have any problem with aligning. I'm happy to announce this video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you are thinking on custom design and need PCB board, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, or 3D printing, they can do all of that. Link in the video description box below. Back to the video. Alright, here's the finished product with all the phones inside it, and here are my hard drives, and when you put it inside, it will be flush with the surface and not gonna go to the bottom. This is what we need. We don't have the camera because it's the one I'm using, and yeah, I will take a picture and show you how it looks like. The file will be in the video description box below, and also I will put it on my Patreon. And thanks to all my Patreon members for supporting me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.